It doesn't matter what we do. It's the level of consciousness that we're in when we do it. Farah hit it last week so perfectly when she said, doing the work of level 3, we don't have answers for that. We had all kinds of answers when we were in those lower levels. We had wound after wound after wound. We had answers for that. We knew what it was. We could see our shame and the guilt and the blame and the anger. We could see it. But now in these higher levels, we're kind of going, well, I don't know what that answer is. Yeah. And that's the point. We can't do this by rote because it's not our human self that we're now activating. It's our spiritual self. It's our divine self. And we don't really know what that looks like in the world. We don't know how that energy is going to move mountains. We don't have faith that it's even going to work. Okay. We don't even trust it. That falls right here. We have to take that leap of faith in order to get into level 3. Because the truth, okay, everything above this yellow line is the truth. And that's beyond belief. And what is our belief? Everything below this line. These are our beliefs, the thoughts we think about again and again. That level 1 and level 2 is our belief system. Levels 3 and level 4, it's what's real and it's what's true. And it doesn't take place in time. Only level 1 and 2 takes place in time. So how long are they going to be in this energy center? 10, 20 years potentially. So you can wait. Okay, that would be level 1. Level 1 is waiting. Or moving into this area where we're saying, I don't know what anything is for, but I don't like who I'm becoming. I don't like who I am in these lower levels. I don't like living from self-doubt. I don't like the way that feels. So I got to figure this out. I got to do something different. And so level 3 is all about the conduit, the open channel. So the divine self, divine love, peace can make its way into the world.